plans are beneficial to everyone who wants to protect their family, assets, and property from financial risk and losses. I'm here today at the Unique Insurance Company Limited, and I will be speaking to the Managing Director to tell us more about the insurance company and what it actually means to have an insurance plan. Hello, sir. Welcome to Ghana Web.
Thank you very much.
Kindly introduce yourself and tell us what Unique Insurance is all about.
Okay. Thank you, Na. I'm Victor Obingedia, the Managing Director of Unique Insurance Company, Ghana Limited. Unique Insurance, like you rightly said, is an insurance company dealing in the area of non-life. You know, we have the life insurance companies. They deal with life insurances. And then the non-life insurance company, as Unique Insurance, we deal in insuring the general public against risks such as accidents, motor insurance, marine insurance, property insurance, home insurance, and so on and so forth. And indeed, we also do a lot of travel insurance remotely. So basically, Unique Insurance has been in existence for about 20 years, about 19, was set up in 1999. And we've been in business since, and our main owners are Teachers Fund. Indeed, it was set up by the Trade Union Congress of Ghana, and it evolved, and now our majority shareholder is the Teachers Fund, owned by Ghana National Association of Teachers. We have a host of other unions as members. Yeah.
Okay. You have a lot going on with Unique Insurance, and I must say that's really good. So there's a motto called "Brakes may fail, our insurance doesn't." Can you educate us on this campaign?
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's more about reliability.
Okay.
You know, we want to compare insurance, our insurance product to the brakes. You know, statistics has it that most accidents on the way come as a result of human error, and then the major mechanical error is brake. When the brake fails, you know, the driver is not able to apply the brakes, and there's an accident, right? Yeah. Unique Insurance will come in to put you where you belong before the accident took place. So, for example, you insure your car comprehensively with us, and the car is worth $50,000 or 50,000 cedis. When there's an accident and your brake fails, not just the brake, any form of accident, with this Unique Insurance will make sure that you get your 50,000 vehicle back. And so we are more reliable than brakes, so that brakes can fail, but Unique Insurance will always be there to make sure you are put where you belong before the accident occurs. And indeed, it's not just motor. When you have home insurance and there's fire engulf your business, you have Makola Market, Kumasi Market, major markets in Ghana always come under fire, you know. And when something like that happens, Unique Insurance will not fail you like the way the brakes fail the driver. We will come in to make sure that the value upon which you insure the vehicle are provided, and of your items will be provided, so that you can get your capital and start doing business. So we entreat all businessmen, businesswomen, our market women, to come and insure with Unique Insurance, so that at the end of the day, when something happens, when the brake fails and there's fire, right, the business will not go down, but we'll provide them money to come back and do better business.
Okay, so with that said, the businessman or woman would like to know, how quick is the response, or will the response be?
Yeah, a lot of companies are not coming up technologically, try to digitize because of COVID. I must say that Unique saw it coming, so we're already digitized. So as you can see from the office, we don't have too many people. We have a lot of systems in place. So as soon as you hit our sweetheart Asantua, you are good to go. And I'm sure we're going to talk about that. You know, as we find her all over. Asantua is now the main contact person for Unique Insurance. Anywhere you are, through email, through any social media medium, the WhatsApps or what have you, the Twitter, what have you, you make a phone call, which is still traditionally #1 means in our country, and Asantua will be there to provide any support that you need.
Okay, I find Asantua quite interesting, but before we get to Asantua, there are several misconceptions about insurance companies, and it includes non-payment of claims and among others. How unique is Unique Insurance? What's so different about Unique Insurance?
Absolutely. The founding fathers of this company set it up to make sure that when it comes to claim payment, we are going to be unique, and that's hence our name, Unique Insurance. We are unique, and people can attest to the fact that whenever there's a claim, and we mean genuine claim, we pay them promptly. We are in competition, but our service always isolates us from the rest. We are always on time. We make sure that all genuine claims are paid promptly. So we don't waste too much time when it comes to claim payment. So that for the past 4 years, we've introduced something that we call 2-hour claim payment. All minor claims involved in an accident are paid within 2 hours. Indeed, when you walk to our head office, you can even be paid less than an hour once it's a minor claim. And major claims are also paid promptly.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Can you tell me something about Asantua?
Asantua is our sweetheart. Asantua made Unique what Unique is. Okay. And she's come up with prolific ideas, prolific service delivery systems that is going to make our potential clients and existing clients live above expectation. You call Asantua and the phone number that I'm going to give you, and promptly we are there to serve you. Okay. So anytime anybody wants to deal with Unique Insurance, just call Asantua, and then you are done. Okay. You don't need to come to our offices. Less than 0.5% of our clients come to our office. We come to you to serve you. Asantua is always there. So he's our AI personality that goes around the whole world to serve people. Yeah. So
in case I want to sign up with Unique Insurance Company, do I have to, or can I directly reach out to Asantua to help me with the processes?
Absolutely. You can either go onto our website, or you can read directly to Asantua, and then you are good to go. So you can always reach our esteemed customers. Now, yourself and your team members can always reach Asantua on 050-156-9433, 050-156-9433, or 030-2241-892, 030-241-892. These are the two main lines. It's always on, 24/7. And you get Asantua on this number, and you don't need to rush to our offices.
Okay.
The service delivery is always on point.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm very curious about the name Asantua.
Oh.
Why Asantua and not any other name like Na?
Yeah, you're right. If you read our history as a country, and the name Asantua ring the bell. It tells you how resilient and how strong our women in Ghana are. And they can trace this history to Yaya Asantua of the Ashanti fame, who stood when men like me were all running away, And I also take inspiration from her. My mom was like Asantua. Every woman in this country is Asantua. You guys are brave out there. But for you, we'll be struggling as men in this country. So she's such an intelligent, very humble person, brave, top-class woman, but through humility, through other skill, he was able to mobilize men, right, to go and fight. Yeah, you think you are physically strong, but mentally she was stronger. So Asantua, as we link up to her, we are telling the insurance public that Unique Insurance is stronger than any insurance company when it comes to service delivery. So the resilience that Asantua showed to fight off the British, we are going to use the same thing to fight off all of your claim payment and make sure that we pay you promptly. So that's the meaning of Asantua.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, then. That's fine. All right. So are there any upcoming projects you would like to make public, or your customers and prospective customers to know?
Yeah. There are a host of them. Let me say that we're not just on the market to make money. Yes, it's number one priority to make money for our shareholders, to make sure that our customers are also fulfilled, by joining Unique team. But at the same time, we also give back to society. We have a relationship with Ridge Hospital, the children's ward, that every year we're going to make a lot of sponsorship package for them. And we intend to continue all the year round. We also have another relationship with the teachers in the Ashanti region where we sponsor their quiz prior to the COVID. So these are things that we're doing to give back to society as society help us to grow. Okay. And we also have other incentive package for our clients that deal with us and who are very loyal to us. We make sure that the premium that they pay are quite reasonable compared to other places that they go. We also have other incentive packages, awards that we give to our clients who deal with that for a number of years. So a host of others are also in the pipeline for our customers. Yeah.
Okay. So what's your outlook for the insurance industry for the next 5 years?
Yeah, the insurance industry is yet to grow. So I know very well that Unique is going to play a very leadership role regarding the growth of the industry. Yeah, the premium as a percentage of the GDP is very little. And once it's not up there, it means there's a prospect of growth. We haven't peaked yet. And so within the next 5 years, I can see the insurance industry doubling its premium, and I can see Unique Insurance quadrupling its premium.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Obeng Edia. Thank you very much. It was a very insightful conversation, and hopefully I'll try to convince my colleagues to also sign up with Unique Insurance Company.
Thank you very much.
All right. Yeah. Okay, so next we'll be speaking to the marketing manager, I beg your pardon, to tell us more about the different types of policies and how you can sign up for them. I'm in the office of the head of marketing of Unique Insurance Company. She's going to introduce herself to us and tell us more about several policies Unique Insurance Company has and how you can sign up for them. Hello, ma'am, and welcome to Ghana Web once again.
Thank you, Nan. Good morning.
How are you? I'm doing very well, and you?
Very well.
All right, so kindly introduce yourself and then a little bit about Unique Insurance Company.
I'm Gifty Owusu-Adako, the head of marketing for Unique Insurance. Unique Insurance is a general insurance company that underwrites general businesses. So we don't do life in simple terms. We insure properties. Okay. So when you have a vehicle, we do motor insurance on that. When you have a home, we do home insurance. When you are an importer or an exporter who deals in marine issues, we do marine insurance. And for travel insurance, I'm pleased to announce to the general public that we are the only company that underwrites real-time travel insurance policies. That is also endorsed with COVID. So in the event that you travel outside of Ghana and you pick our travel insurance, you are rest assured that in the event that COVID catches up with you out there, Unique Insurance will pay for your medical bills.
Oh, okay. Oh, I like the travel aspect, and I hope a lot of people get to sign up on it. But then we are moving on to the campaign. Brakes may fail, but our insurance doesn't. What triggered this campaign?
There are so many misconceptions out there concerning insurance claim payments. Many a times you hear people say, I had a claim with so-and-so company. I had to chase it for a year. Others too will say, I've been going to this insurance company for my insurance claim, but I've not been paid. So we want to erode that misconception from the insuring public's mind. So as a company, we came up with this campaign, and the campaign simply puts it by the tagline, brakes may fail. So in an event that your brakes fail you as a driver, or in an event that any of our policies that you are signed on, a claim ensues, we are not going to fail you. The risks we underwrite those risks to promise you that in an event that the risk ensues, we are there to compensate you. And the compensation is by indemnifying you or bringing you back to the state you were before the risk occurred. So brakes may fail simply means that even when the risk triggers, even where your vehicle is involved in an accident, when you come to Unique Insurance, we are not going to play dilly-dally with you. We are not going to delay you unnecessarily. We are not going to stretch you for you to get to the point and say that, had I known, or as they have been saying, all insurance companies are the same. We, Unique Insurance, we are not going to do that. So when your brakes fail you by reason of leading to an accident, or you hitting a third-party property, or you injuring someone by the use of your vehicle, we are not going to go take you through that jolly ride of go, come, go, come, go, come. We will make sure that we pay you, and we will pay you promptly, so that you don't even get on edge for unnecessary things.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you very much for that explainer. Now, we are moving to we're in the era of COVID, as we all know, and it has impacted, aside our economy, it has had a huge impact on businesses. And I mean, several people or business owners are really worried about how to keep up with their businesses. What are some of the mechanisms put in place to cushion policyholders in the era of COVID?
It's so sad nobody saw COVID coming. But thankfully, as a company, we have a management team in place that listens and always are on the edge of doing things to help both our clients and even staff in here. So for COVID, when it ensued, management was magnanimous. So they realized we went into partnership with our clients, the ones who were unable to pay their premiums. We gave them some concessionary rates, and we gave them some months to relieve themselves of their premiums that were due us. And again, you know, COVID has brought about doing business afar off. That is not coming in person to do things. So by reason of that, we have also digitized our operations. So you need not walk to our office before you can even get your policy renewed for you or even sign on onto our policies. We have people who are well trained. I mean, the staff. We have trained them such that their response rate to your queries are top notch. Their sense of urgency is so high such that you don't even realize I just placed a call to Unique Insurance, or I just linked up with one person in Unique Insurance and that person delayed me unduly. These are some of the things we have been doing for our clients since COVID erupted. And we are pleased to say that it's an ongoing thing. It has not stopped with the advent of the vaccine. No, we are still continuing with that process. We do largely most of our transactions with our clients online. So you can even sign on for a policy by going on our website. And Asantua will respond to you in real time.
Okay, so you mentioned the website. What's the website?
The website is very simple. It's www.uniqueinsurance.uicghana.com. It's UIC because When you write the full unique insurance, it's going to be a very long thing.
Okay.
So it's www.uicghana.org.
Okay, and how can we reach Asantewaa?
For Asantewaa, you hook up through Asantewaa on 050-156-9433.
Okay.
Or you can call Asantewaa and chat with her. You can text Asantewaa 24/7. Asantewaa doesn't sleep, all because you never know when your risk will be triggered. So even if it's midnight and your vehicle is involved in an accident, call Asantewaa.
Okay.
050-156-9433.
Okay. So can you educate us on some of your policies and how one can sign up for them?
For our policies, we have a host of them. But the one that is always common when it comes to insurance is motor insurance.
Okay.
And for motor insurance, we have 3 types. We have the third party. The third party, it is mandated by law for every vehicle owner to have it. Then we have the third party fire and theft. That one is the same third party that you are mandated by law to take. But you, the vehicle owner, you have upgraded it a bit to include theft. That is in an event someone steals your vehicle. And you have also endorsed it with fire. So in an event your vehicle catches fire through the usage of it. Then the last one, which is another type of motor insurance, is the comprehensive. By its name, it should tell you that that one comes with a host of package embedded in it. That one takes care of your third-party liabilities. It takes care of your fire accidents. It takes care of theft as well. And that one too takes care of you, the vehicle owner, in your process of driving the vehicle. If it involves in an accident or you go hit someone, it takes care of that one too. The difference between comprehensive and third party is that third party will take care of your liabilities towards third parties. So it could be someone who was either a passenger on board your vehicle or a pedestrian. Or it could be somebody's property. By reason of you using your car, you go and hit somebody's house, you hit someone's fence. That one is somebody's property. So that is what the third party policy does for you. But for the
before you continue with the third party policy, you mentioned one that says when your vehicle is in use, right? But so what if I've parked my car somewhere, for a better understanding, and then my car suddenly catches fire? Am I also going to benefit from this policy?
In an event your car catches fire and it's a third party policy that you have on that car, I'm sorry, you cannot make a claim under it because you have not insured the vehicle to benefit from it.
Okay.
You have rather insured it to the benefit of third parties. But had it been a comprehensive policy that you have on that vehicle, in an event that it catches fire, and that fire is not by reason of arson, then the comprehensive policy will trigger to your benefit.
Okay. So I think we can continue with the other policies.
We have marine policies. We underwrite both cargo and hull. And for the hull, that is the vessel that carries the goods. So we underwrite the vessel, then we underwrite the goods that the vessel carries. So it's the marine hull and marine cargo. Then we have fire policies. For fire policies, they are varied. We have for domestic purposes and we have for commercial purposes. For commercial purposes are the ones the industries, the market women, and the companies are supposed to take to cover their properties. So that one you can take it to cover the building you operate within and also extend it to cover the contents that you have within the building. So for fire, you can take it for content or you can take it for building only. When it comes to the domestic purposes, then you are looking at individual homes. So for myself, my home, I have insured my home, but I have not just insured the building or the house, I have insured the contents as well. And for us at Unique Insurance, our home insurance, we have crafted it such that it takes care of a host of risks that we envisage can befall every homeowner. So when you take our home insurance policy, which we've termed 360 policy, 360 because it's an all-round thing. When you take our home 360 policy, we have insured you against your home with all the perils that could come along with it. So for flood, for fire, for earthquake, all these have been insured for the home. The contents too are insured. So your electronic gadgets, your furniture, all these things are insured under our 360 home policy. It does not end there. Every home has occupants. So we have, if the homeowner is a married person, we have the spouse and we have children. We have made sure that the policy covers up to 5 people who live within that home. It still does not end there. We have made provision for even visitors who will come visit you in your home. So if a visitor comes to your home and that visitor is injured by reason of water being poured on the floor for the person to sleep, that one will not be your burden. That burden becomes ours at Unique Insurance. So our home insurance policy is a comprehensive policy on its own that takes care of all these things that I've mentioned.
Okay. So how can one sign up for them?
For signing up, you go on our website, as I indicated earlier, www.uicghana.org. The list of policies are there. So you click on the list and you just give us a few details. So you give us your name, your contact number. When you send it to us, immediately Asantua will pick it at the other side and get in touch with you, so that Asantua takes you through the filling of the proposal form and gets you signed on. So it's a very simple thing. Go to www.uicghana.org. You scroll down on the policies, you select the policy you want to buy, then you indicate with your name, your contact number for Asantua to pick it up and hook up with you.
Okay, I just want a slight enlightenment on Asantua. Is she available to answer any question? So I want to sign up for a particular policy. I want to buy a particular policy, and I need some questions asked before I sign up. Is Asantua available to answer those
That is
questions?
the job of Asantua.
Okay.
To clear all your doubts.
Okay.
To dot all your I's for you and to cross all your T's for you. So that's for Asantua for you.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Madam Gifty Owuswa Darko. She's the head of marketing for Unique Insurance Company Limited. So there you have it. You've heard it. Unique Insurance Company is a 24-hour service thanks to Asantua, and it's very prompt, and you are assured to be attended to. My name is Na Oyokwoti for Ghana Web TV.